come outside when they be rap. We all in scat packs, we the fastest. 3-round burst, sound like it's lagging. I ain't friendly, almost popped the fan up cause he tried to glitch through my phone and tried to stab me. Now I'm shooting shots at her daddy. Kill my nigga if he steal cause all he had to do was ask. We done cut the pint, boys, we hit a pint and seal it back. Cost so much they'll break up in my crib to steal a match. Play crazy, we throwing stones at a nigga, we a flag.
Alright YouTube, we on the second video for today. Now this video is gonna be like a part 2 unboxing, but also showing my 300 blackout. Now before we get into my 300 blackout, let's talk about what happened to the 300 blackout. So if you don't know, back when the brace brand was going on, you see what I'm saying? So I basically just scrapped it. Like I really just broke the lower down, built another micro AR with the lower, and just had it sitting ever since then. And I go check the safe and I'm like, damn, I still got this 8-inch 300 blackout that I haven't done nothing with. I took it to the range probably once or twice with the brace on there. The second time I took it to the range, that's when they were harassing me about the brace. So that's what really made me never bring it out again for real. But as you guys know, the brace ban is over, so we can talk about it. But before we get to that, we got an unboxing, a short little unboxing of the sight I will be throwing on there for now until my rifle gets here. Boom, we got the Gideon Advocate. This is a small and light one-time prism, a etched close quarters reticle, auto on motion sensing illumination, 1 MOA per click adjustments, included 1913 Picatinny mount. Boom. So this the Gideon Advocate. Now, so let me tell you guys this. I'm building a rifle. I'm building a rifle because I'm tired of the comments. You can't hit shh. So I'm gonna build a rifle. You know what? I was gonna just buy a rifle, but that'd be pointless. Why not build a rifle and make multiple videos and get the most? But listen, I'm building a rifle. I already got my lower. As y'all know, I only like the enhanced Aero Precision lowers. So this is the enhanced Aero Precision lowers. I already got the magazine, the bolt catch. All I really need, you know, when I say build, I'm talking about I'm gonna build it from here. Drop-in trigger, ambidextrous safety, the pins, the buffer. I'm building a rifle. Now, what I want y'all to do, since y'all always got so much to say, I want y'all to help a brother out, okay? I want y'all to get in the comments, point me to the best rifle upper. That's help me build a rifle. That's what I want y'all to do. Help me build this rifle so y'all won't be talking shit. But I'm still gonna build what I like to build, you know, my little dudes. So, Gideon Advocate. Basically the same as the last one. All the same stuff. Tools. This. Ooh. This looks nice. Oh my God. This looks, bro. Yo, this is tough. I can't lie. This is tough. I don't know if it could like really pick up on camera. But this is tough, bro. It don't show on camera, but bro, this is tough. Oh, wait, it ain't even on. It wasn't even on. Yeah, that's tough. Now that glare, like, I don't know why it's showing like that on the camera. But as you see, when you get close up on it, that's all you see. Eye shot. Yo, this is tough. So this will be going on my rifle build. But for right now, just to try it out and do the review, I'm gonna put it on my 8-inch 300 blackout, sight it in, and see how far I can accurately hit with an 8-inch 300 blackout. So this the Gideon Advocate. Looks tough. I mean, yeah, looks tough. So let's get to showing you guys what I'm going to be putting it on for right now until my 16-inch build is complete. I'll show you guys. It is clear. It's clear. Now, before we get into the build, one thing I have learned while building these ARs, some ARs will get a sticky bolt to where you slide the chamber back, the round will not come out. And I'll say when I built my first AR 3 years ago, pulled the charger handle back, nothing came out, aimed it at the ground. Wow! That was 3 years ago. Now, when I tell you ever since then, every time I check the chamber of a gun, I probably check it 6 or 7 times. People are like, bro, why you doing? Listen, it's just me. But this what we gonna be putting it on. My 300 Blackout Marauder. It looks nice. Looks nice. You know I like to drop in trigger. I have about 4 of these now with the little KK Shockwave. This is just how it looks for now. You know you can't really put too much on here. So I'm just gonna slap that dot on here. And then we're gonna see what it looks like. But let me show you guys YouTube. It is clear. Oh. Oh. Gee willikers. Y'all see that? And that's not even close to the camera at all. Bruh. This might be a badass optic right here. Now this, I've grown to like metal mags. They look amazing. But boy, this red dot is crystal clear. Bro. Like, now this one I haven't shot yet. Because I just finished putting this together. I just got the H2 buffer. I just really put everything together. Bro. This might be. Now. I'm liking this so much I may keep this on here. Now I have a Sig Romeo 5 for this. But just because I was unveiling the build, I wanted to show the new red dot in sight. Gosh, Lee. That's amazing. That is amazing. Just look. Bro. Just look at the red dot. I don't want to get close, but man, be on the lookout for this review. It's coming soon, I promise you. This red dot looks amazing. Now, since this video is partially about the 300 Blackout, let me show you guys what else I got and tell me how you feel about this. Because they sent me out this and I'm not going to turn anybody down, especially if it's a budget tool or accessory. And I know I'm like a budget channel and I have a lot of people who's on the budget as well. No, we're not all rich. I'm not rich, you feel me? So let me show you guys. So Tough Soul sent me this like flashlight, like grip. And don't get me wrong, it's bright. Very bright. Got a wireless charger. So I'm gonna figure out somewhere to put this. But here's the build. 300 Blackout. With the Gideon Advocate red dot. And I ain't gonna lie, I can't stop looking through this. I can't wait to go to sleep and wake up tomorrow and go to the range. Because this looks amazing. Looks amazing. Feels amazing. That's just metal mag. There's nothing in there. I don't know why it just does that, but yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. More content coming soon. And I am doing a giveaway when I get to 100K. So help me get to 100K if you want to see the giveaway. Like, comment, and subscribe.